toasty. And it's still only 75 degrees in August. It's like 105 where you're at. Oh, this is one of the few times there's no water flowing across that road. It's downhill twisties like this that wore out my rear brake. If you watch my rear tire change, I let my rear brake pads get to metal on metal. What an idiot. I've got brand new EBC HH on the rear right now. I've had EBC HH on the front for a while. And with these Michelin Pilot Road 5s, this bike is handling great. My wife has not tapped me to slow down yet. Somebody skidded off the side of the road there too. Stop using the rear brake. And push that handlebar. Look where you want to go. Don't look at the accident scene or the scene of the crash, whatever you want to call it. If you look through the turn, push on that handlebar a little bit more, the bike will fall right over for you. Look at this genius, just stopping the road. I need to come up here on the Monster. Parkway ends. Should try getting on using that last road. Wonder if that's easier than crossing traffic from this gas station. Sometimes there's a lot of traffic here. Not right now, but sometimes. Alright, here's the Pancake House. Here's the Pancake House, and there's Sloppy Hog. The Pancake House isn't that great. I'll rate it as okay. There's nothing at the Pancake House that would make me want to go back. This gray car here is always parked there. Watch any of my videos where I've come here. That gray car is right there and I park next to it. It's almost like this is my own personal parking spot. Gotta let the wife in. There she is. That's what she looks like right there. That's what she looks like. Yeah, she can't hear me. Alright. There's my girlfriend on the 959. That's what she looks like. So we're at Sloppy Hog. Thanks for watching. Hit that thumbs up.